Hey guys, so today we are going to be introducing the letter W. So right here we have in front of us the uppercase W, and over here we have the lowercase w. And W makes the W sound, W, W. And like all of our other letters, we like to start by introducing some letters that are familiar around us in our surroundings, in our classroom, at home. So since we're at home, let's start to look for things around your house that start with the letter W. I found a few things around my house that I wanted to share with you, and then when you get a chance, you can take a look around your house. So first thing I found was a wiffle ball, and it's a special kind of ball. There's little holes in it, and you hit it with a bat like a baseball, but they call it a wiffle ball. So it makes a w sound, wiffle ball. And then I also have my water bottle, water bottle, water bottle. This might look familiar. You remember it from school? You see me with it all the time. Water bottle. Water. All right, something else I found. This belongs to my daughter, and they're a pair of wings. Wings. She likes to wear them and pretend that she's a little fairy. So she has wings. Or a butterfly. Wings. Wings. I don't know if you can see that or not. They're kind of yellow. So hopefully you can tell what those are. Wings. Wings. And then last, I found this in my garage, and it is a piece of wood. 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 All right, let's take a look at some of the words that start with W that our unique program gave us. Hang on 1 second. There we go. Okay, so down here, the bottom row here, we have wig, wig, wig. Sometimes people like to put a wig over their hair, and they'll put it on top of their hair. And then over here we have wax, wax. Wax is part of what makes the candle. Wax. And then we have up here, we have wallet, wallet, wallet. That's usually where we keep our money and our identification, like our driver's license and maybe our insurance cards. We keep it all there in our wallet. And then here we have work, work, work. Looks like here somebody is sweeping. So looks like they're cleaning something up. They're probably busy at work. Maybe they're sweeping out all the leaves from their front yard or porch. Work. All right, so those are the words that we have that start with the letter W.